I told you I do test my strategies on live market. I don't practice strategies. So guys, this is among the most popular indicator we have right now in tradingview.com, and it's called the imbalance detector. Okay, so it detects imbalance. And what is imbalance in forex trading? Imbalance is what we call inefficiency. So this indicator detects and highlights market imbalances alongside a dashboard, returning information about their frequency, occurrence, and their fill percentage. And the imbalances here, they include the FVG, the opening gaps, and the imbalance volumes. Okay, and so this indicator highlights areas where there is a disparity between supply and demand, and that's why it's so common to see price coming back to those levels, and traders use them as their support and resistance, but also as their targets. So I will definitely add the indicator right on my chart here so that we can really see what happens on live market, and I will show you what I've really noted about this indicator. Okay, anyway guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's your first time you came across my channel. I welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on that red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and honestly I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. So guys, without further ado, I really want us to add the indicator right away. I'm using the 5-minute time frame. The indicator is very free. The only thing you really need right here is a trading view account. Okay, so guys, click on indicators tab right here. Once you click on indicators tab, you're just going to type imbalance detector by Lux. Click on it. Once you click on it, that is how it appears right on your chart. So guys, I know most of you are asking yourself why I have added the indicator 3 times. I really want it to be visible right here. So guys, I really want to talk about this indicator right here. So as I told you before, what you're supposed to keep in mind is that it highlights areas where there is disparity between supply and demand. And I told you before, it's common to see price come back to the areas, and traders use them as their support and resistance zones, and as well as their target points. So I really want to test this indicator with the live market. There is a lot I've really learned about this indicator. Number one, what you can see right here, they work as your support and resistance, simply because you can see when price came to this level over here, it was really being rejected to the downside. When it came to this zone over here, it was rejected, simply because they can work as your support and resistance, and as well you can use them as your target points, and target points can work as where you really want to take your profit. So guys, I'm using the 5 minutes time frame right here. What you're supposed to really know, these zones being your support and resistance level, and as well as your target points, you should expect when price comes to this level over here, it will react to the level. So if not being rejected, it will close above. So the only thing you really need right here is confirmation. So keep in mind, these are your support and resistance zone over here, and is your target point. So if you wanna buy, when price comes to this level over here, exit your trades. Another thing I have really noted, that these imbalances, like you can see here, is live market, it's keeping on disappearing. So for instance, right here we had imbalance, but when I inserted it, it disappeared. So that's something also you really need to understand about this imbalance detector. Once you really know they keep on disappearing, don't really lose hope in this. You can really consider what happened in the past. You're going to consider this zone over here, and as well you can consider this zone over here, simply because you can see the price is really reacting at this zone over here, simply because that is where there is a bullish imbalance. You can see the price is being rejected severally, and so you can target this zone over here. If it breaks above, you target this zone over here. So what I really want to tell you is that this imbalance is disappearing on the live market, or rather what is happening on live market. You can consider what happened in the past, simply because you can use them as your target points, and number two, you can use them as your support, the resistance zones. And what you're supposed to keep in mind is the fact that support and resistance zones are always useful. You will see price ever in life reacting to support and resistance zones, simply because they are very strong zones. But this support and resistance zone in this indicator, they are referred to as imbalances, simply because there is FVG, the opening gaps, and the volume imbalance. So guys, what you can see here on live market, the market is actually reacting to these previous and previous imbalances right here, okay? But when it breaks below, you're going to target the next one. So that shows you how you can use it also as your target point, okay? So guys, this is how I really test my indicators, simply because when you look at past events right here, you will see there was very steady movement to the upside. But let me tell you, there is something like this that happened before, but after the indicator shows you all this. So here you have seen that there is no maybe identification of imbalances on live market, but solving the problem, you can really consider these past levels that were there before, and you'll be able to execute your trades confidently, okay? So guys, my main objective of this video is actually testing the indicator and as well solving that problem. You've seen imbalances are disappearing on live market and solving the problem considering the past levels, okay? I hope you've seen how it is really working. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Don't forget to like this video. I hope you've really learned something. By the way, you can use this indicator to scalp and also to day trade. And I told you, this indicator, when the market is really trending, okay, for instance right here, you will see that there is red highlightation over here. You can proceed selling. When you see blue highlights over here, you can proceed buying, okay? It can work well when the market is really trending, but when you can see what is really happening right here, the market is somehow consolidating. So when price breaks this level over here or this level over here, you will see it working perfectly well, okay? So guys, you know that is not working well on a ranging market, and as well you have seen how these imbalances keep on disappearing, reappearing, disappearing, reappearing, and you can see right here, guys, what I've told you before, the market is actually reacting to this zone over here simply because this happened at the price. So the only thing you really need is confirmation. You can use confirmation like candlestick patterns, you can use confirmation like the pure price action, and as well you can use confirmation break of structure, change of character for you to really execute trades. And as you can see right here, it is really proceeding to the upside. So we didn't see where this candlestick pattern is going to close it. You can target this one over here to be your take profits, okay, if you wanna buy, or this zone over here. So if you took your buy order, you should have exited right at this zone or at this zone over here where we had previous imbalances, okay? As simple as that. That's how you really test your strategies on live markets, and that's how you can really understand everything about this indicator, okay? Anyway guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay. So what do I say guys? Bye bye, see you in my next video.